Hello students, this is your faculty, Dr. Shruti Pandey, Assistant Professor, School of Management, BBDU. Today we are going to discuss about international business from the topic International Business Management, BBA 4504. What is international business? In today's interconnected world, international business management has become a crucial field of study. It encompasses of complex web of commercial interaction that occur across national border, involving the exchange of goods, services, capital, technology, and information. This discipline equips professionals with the knowledge and the skill to navigate the multifaceted challenge and seize the vast opportunity present in the global marketplace. International business management is specialized, focused on managing and operating business across global market. It comprises strategies, practice needed and successfully navigate the complexities of international trade, finance and operations. Key components of international business management are global strategy, that is developing strategies for entering in and competing in international market. This include marketing research, strategic planning and adapting business model to fit local content. Cross cultural management, understanding and managing cultural differences to build effective team relationship and international stakeholders. International marketing, tailoring marketing strategies to different culture, economics, and legal environment to effectively reach and engage international customers. Global supply chain management, uh, coordinating production, logistics, and distribution across multiple countries to ensure efficiency and responsiveness to global demand. International finance, managing financial aspects like currency exchange, international development, and financial risk management to support global operations. Compliance and regulation, neg- navigating and adhering to international law, regulations, and standards which may vary by country and region. Effective international business management requires blend of strategy, vision, culture, intelligence, and operational expertise to drive success in global marketplace. Scope of international business. First scope is global market expansion. International business comprises of the import and export of the products, services, as well as the movement of the capital, labor, and technology across the national borders. Understanding global trade pattern, tariffs, and regulations is crucial for the business seeking to expand their reach. Next, as you can see, it's resources acquisition. Large multinational companies that operate in multiple countries are a significant part of international business landscape. Effectively managing subsidies, coordinating supply chain, and navigating cultural differences are key responsibilities. Economies of scale and strategic alliance. The follow of capital across national bodies known for FDI is critical aspect of international business. Businesses must navigate complex financial regulations and exchange rates and political risk when investing in foreign markets. Challenges in international business. The first challenge is cultural difference. Navigating cultural form, communication styles, and business practices in different countries can be a significant challenge for the international business. Effective cross-culture management is essential for success. Understanding cultural nuances, building trust, and adapting leadership styles are key to overcome the cultural barrier and forecasting productive international cooperation. Then there is political risk and legal risk. Inability in a country's political or economic climate can pose serious risk for international businesses, such as currency fluctuation, trade barrier, nationalization of asset. Assessing and mitigating these risks is crucial. Businesses must closely monitor geopolitical events, economic indicators, and policy changes and have contingency plan in place to address the potential disruption. Economic fluctuation. Each country has its own sets of law, regulations, and bureaucratic process that international business must understand and comply with. Adapting these varying requirements can be complex and time consuming. Staying up to the date with changing regulation, obtaining necessary permits and license, and ensuring compliance across the multiple jurisdictions require dedicated resource and expertise. Logistical and supply chain issues. Managing global chain transportation and distribution network can be challenging, especially when dealing with different infrastructure, customer and transportation system across the country. Coordinating the movement of goods and services and information across border, navigating import-export procedures and ensuring timely delivery can require significant operational expertise and resources. Opportunities of international business, market expansion or market diversification. By entering new geographic market, international business can significantly expand their customer base and revenue potential. This can lead to economies of scale, increase profitability, and this can and reduce reliance on single domestic market. Innovation and learning, engaging with different cultures and regulations and practices can expose international companies to new ideas, technologies, and approaches. This can foster innovation and help businesses stay ahead of the curve. Increased revenue. International business allows company to access a wider pool of resources, including raw materials, skilled labor, and cutting-edge technology. This can help businesses reduce cost, improve efficiency, and gain competitive advantage. Brand globalization, diversification. Operating in the multiple countries such can help business diversify with the risk and reduce their exposure to economic or political inability in the single market. This can lead to a greater stability and resilience for the organization. Strategies for success in international business. First is market research. Carefully evaluate and select the most appropriate entry mode, such as exporting, licensing, joint venture, or foreign direct investment based on company's resources, capabilities, and target market characteristics. Adaptation and localization. Develop a deep understanding of cultural norm, value, and business practices of target market and adapt the company's products, services, and operations accordingly to ensure a seamless and cultural sensitive approach. Risk management, identifying and mitigating risk associated with the international operation and hedging against currencies and economic risks. Building relationship, tailor the company's offering, marketing, and customer support to meet the specific need and preference of the local market while maintaining the overall brand identity and core business model. Future of international business. First, emerging markets. Changing trade policies, political tension, and global power dynamics will require international businesses to closely monitor, adapt, and evolve geopolitical land base, mitigating risk and capitalizing on emerging opportunities. Then, technological advancement. The increasing integration of digital technologies such as e commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence will continue to reshape the international businesses, enabling great global connectivity, faster information exchange, and more efficient cross border operation. Sustainability and ethics. Responding to growing global concern about the environmental and social impact, international businesses will need to prioritize sustainable practices such as green supply chain, ethical sourcing, and corporate social responsibility to remain competitive and meet stakeholders' expectation. Conclusion. Summary of key points. The broad scope of international business, the risks and challenges involved, the vast opportunity for the growth and innovation, the importance of strategic planning and adaptability, the involving nature of global business dynamics. Thank you, everyone.